Morning and Sairam to all. I hope you all have enjoyed your winter vacations and New Year. Now it's time to come back to your online classes. So let us start with your online classes. Okay. So in previous video I have give you brief idea about the chapter chemical effects of electrical current. Is this clear? I told you that the topics which we are going to cover in this chapter are conductors and insulator, are liquid good conductor or are poor conductors, chemical effects of electric current and electroplating. Is this clear? And the topics which we are going to cover in today's video are conductors and insulator, are liquid good conductors or are poor conductors. These two topics we are going to cover in this video. So let us start. So you must have seen the pins of an electric plug. They are made up of a metal. Wire are also made up of a metal. These pins are made up of a metal and the wire is also made up of a metal. Have you ever think why are they are made up of a material or a metal? Material like a metal. Have you ever think about this? Why are they made up of metals? Why they are not made up of a plastic? Why they are not made up of a rubber? Have you ever think? So because wires, plastic or any other material cannot be used for making wires and pin for an electric plug. Now the answer we will find the answer for this question we will find in this chapter. Is this clear? So our topic is conduction of electricity. Similarly, too many solids, some liquid also conduct electricity. Clear? Before that, recall what you have learnt about conductors and insulator in your previous classes. Basically, substance which allows electricity to pass through them. Substance which allow electricity to pass through them are called conductors. Such as silver, gold, acidic solution, salt solution, etc. What do you mean by conductors? Substance which allow electricity to pass through. Substance which allow electricity to pass through them are called conductors, such as silver, gold, acidic solution, salt solution, etc. Is this clear? The next topic is insulator. What do you mean by insulator? Substance which do not allow electric current to pass through them. Substance which do not allow electric current to pass through them are called insulator, such as plastic, rubber, etc. Clear? That means in which electricity can pass is known as your conductor, and substance which do not allow electricity to pass is known as your insulator. Example of conductor are silver, gold, acidic solution, salt solution, etc. That means from these substance or from these material the electricity can pass because they are that's why they are conductor. And the example of insulator are plastic, rubber. That means from these substance or from these material electricity cannot pass. Now with this we got the answer why metals are used to make wires and pins of electric plugs. Is this clear? Why we can't use plastic and rubber. In 6th class, you made a tester to test whether particular material allows electric current to pass through it or not. First question is, what is circuit tester? What is circuit tester? Use of circuit tester is to test whether the material is good electrical conductor or not. If a light will glow, that means it is a good conductor. If light will not go, that means it is a bad conductor of electricity. This is an example of a setup of circuit tester. So what is the circuit tester? The use of circuit tester is to test whether the material is good conductor or a good electrical conductor or a bad conductor. Is this clear? Now, how to use a circuit tester? How to use a circuit tester? If the bulb lights up, it means that material allows electric current to flow. If the bulb lights up, that means the material allows electric current to flow, though the circuit closed. Clear? The brighter the bulb, the better the conductor of electricity. The brighter the bulb, that means जितना ज़्यादा लाइट ग्लो करेगा उतना ज़्यादा वो मटीरियल क्या होगा, गुड कंडक्टर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी होगा. Is this clear? I am reading this once more. If the bulb lights up, it means the electric allows electric current to flow through the closed circuit. The brighter the bulb, the better the conductor of electricity. The brighter the bulb, the better the conductor of electricity is the material. Clear? Now, how you will conduction check using LED? Sometime the current flowing through the circuit full form of LED is light emitting diode. Full form of LED is light emitting diode. Basically, LED has two wires called leads. One lead is slightly longer and is always connected to the positive terminal of the battery, and the shorter lead is connected to the negative terminal of the battery. Basically, your full form of LED is light emitting diode, and this light emitting diode contains two wires. One is long and one is short. One is long and one is short. One is the longer one is always connected to the positive terminal. This is always connected to the positive terminal, and the shortest one is connected to the negative terminal. Is this clear? Now, sometimes the current flowing through the circuit may be too weak and the filament of bulb may not get sufficient heated to make it glow. Then, instead of a torch bulb, an LED can be used in the circuit. LED glows even when a weak current flows in the circuit. When weak current flow in a circuit. After that, we have done good conductors. Now, how you will know that what is good, which material is good conductor and which material is bad conductor? Substance which allow electric current to pass through them easily are called good conductors. Substance which allow electric current to pass through them easily are called good conductors of electricity, such as silver, gold, aluminum, etc. Such as silver, gold, aluminum. The symbol of silver is Ag. Symbol of gold is Au, and for aluminum Al. Sometimes some substance allow electric current to pass through them, but it is not very but it is in very little amount. Clear? Some substance allows electric current to pass through them, but in very little amount, and such substances are called bad conductor of electricity, rather than being called as an insulator, because they allow little amount of electricity to pass through them. In fact, most of the substances allow electricity to pass through them under certain conditions. So instead of using term conductors and insulators, we can use the term good conductors and bad conductors. Is this clear? Now, electrical conductors. What do you mean by electrical conductors? Electrical conductors are material that allow electric current to flow through. Example, copper, aluminium, salt water, graphite. Graphite is a form of carbon. In previous slide, I told you the symbol of silver is, tell me fast. It is Ag. Aluminium Al. Copper Cu. Is this clear? Electrical insulator. What do you mean by electrical insulator? Materials that do not allow electric current to flow. Material that do not allow electric current to flow through is known as your electric insulator. Example, rubber, plastic, wood. They don't allow to pass electricity through them. That's why they are known as your rubber, plastic, and that's why they are known as your electrical insulators. Now, our next topic is, are liquids good conductors or are poor conductors? See, you have learned that electric current produces a magnetic field. When a compass needle is kept near wire from which an electric current flows, the magnetic needle gets deflected towards the direction of current flow. This is called as magnetic effect of current. We can use this property to test whether liquids are good conductor or a bad conductor. Now, liquid which contains salt dissolved in them conduct electricity. The conduction of electricity through a liquid can be tested using two electrodes and a bulb. But the conduction of electricity through the liquid, which are poor conductor, cannot be tested. But conduction of electric through such liquids can be tested using LED or a magnetic compass needle. For this, what you have to do, you need a compass needle, an empty matchbox, or two electrical cells, some wires. This activity you can easily perform at your home. Clear? A plastic bottle's cap and liquid which is to be tested. Keep the compass needle inside the empty tray or a matchbox and wrap a couple of rubber bands around it. After some time, after that, connect the wires to the battery and insert two wires in the liquid, which is kept in the plastic bottle cap. You will observe that when the current flows through the wire, there is a deflection in the compass needle, and this shows that given liquid conducts electricity. वो जो आपका निडल होगी ना वो जहाँ से करंट फ्लो होगा उसकी तरफ डिफ्लेक्ट करेगी. दिस इज क्लियर. So in fact, magnetic compass needle can deflect even a feeble current. LED can also be used in the place of compass needle. What do you mean by salt? Salt dissolved in a water responsible for conduction of electricity through a water. Tap water, acid solution, basic solution. If you will take pure water, that means there should be no impurities. You can say distilled water. Electricity will not flow because there no ions, impurities, there is no positive and negative charge present inside the water. Distilled water is a poor conductor of electricity because in no salt is present inside the distilled water. I told you this right now, है ना, कि distilled water क्या होता है, आपका purest form of water होता है, उसमें कुछ भी present नहीं होता है. So it is, that's why it is a poor conductor of electricity. Tested electrical conductivity of liquids. Place the two aluminum plates into the liquid tested. If the bulb lights up, a closed circuit is found, allowing current to flow through it. The liquid is conductor of electricity. Is this clear? I think with this conductor, basically in this I have told you that liquid conducts electricity, and what is good conductor and what is bad conductor. I think everything is clear to you. If you're having any doubt, you can ask me. Thank you and Sai Ram.